All right, Pop Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Can't tell you which one come from which. I could go back in the videos, but this one of these is 17, one of them 16. I didn't write it on the box when I picked them up, but I know I need to get them installed because they've been sitting out here a little bit longer than they needed to. So I picked these up. I would have picked these up Friday night or Saturday night. So not really sure what they're going in. I'm gonna check, and if I got to go get 10 frame equipment, I'll just do the inspection on the swarms, and then I'll cut y'all off and I'll get that taken care of. I need my swarm traps back. Getting kind of full. We'll definitely probably break 20 this week. I got some heavy scouts hitting a bunch of traps. I like it when the homeowners keep me posted. Oh my goodness. These girls here going to town. Going to town. I might should have brought my smoke with me. There's a lot of bees in that box. This is fully drawn. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. And they're getting ready to start drawing off the bottom. These girls here are going in a 10 frame is what they're gonna go in today. So there's that frame. Might have some ugly coons on this one. It looks like that other one there is kind of thick. I'm gonna set these girls off to the side. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. I did not see queen on it. That's full of nectar both sides. Fully drawn with a little bonus piece for the scrap bucket. We're gonna set them off right there. So I got some room to work this frame here. Got some goobly got mess. Oh my goodness. I pulled these Saturday. Today's Monday. I hate that. Notice that all of that free drone comb is 99% of the time it's drones. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's another big chunk down there too. Wasted resources. That's the only disadvantage of me working night shift. Not being able to get these things, let that truck get by. Pulled every day of the week. I don't see the queen on that. Oh my goodness. That's just crazy. It still blows my mind every day. The amount of comb that these girls can draw in just a little bit of time. But that's all right. They ain't packed a whole lot of nectar in that. So we'll melt that down and put it on some other frames. This one's got a big old chunk of comb hanging off of it. I think this is the last one with comb hanging off of it. This is the bait frame. It just pulled, big chunk pulled off of it. She's got that laid up. They may have been in there longer than I thought. She just started capping some brood. Just started. So that was what, 2 weeks? Well, not quite 2 weeks. Sometimes it pays to do an on-site inspection while you're there, you know. I think I'm gonna start setting these traps with 10 frames in them so that I don't have this problem, and they're maximizing all of their resources. Another big chunk of wax on this one. Yeah, they've been in there about 2 weeks. I really want to find that queen so I can get her caged while I clean this up. I'm not gonna do a twofer on this video because I need to go ahead and get this one right while I'm in it. So like I said, I'd love to see that queen before I do a whole lot of cleaning up. Cut that right off the bottom there. I hope she ain't in some of that free-form comb they drawed down at the bottom. Come on, be on this front, please. Fully drawn out. Fully drawn out. Alright, well y'all ain't gonna get to see her. I hope I do. I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up, and then we'll do this other one. Like I said, I don't know if that's 16 or 17. I go back and look at the color of the traps and figure it out before I post it. Papa's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Out here beside Highway 17, if you couldn't tell. Y'all please like and subscribe. Have a good day.